Hello everyone, hello everybody. My name is Lerato Tlamini and I am here to show you how to add banking details, amending your personal details, and also resetting your password. So I'm gonna quickly log into the system. So I'm capturing my credentials, which is my email address and my password. Let's wait for the system to load. It is loading. So my leader, you don't have to worry about this error. Don't worry about this error. Worry not. As long as you can go to home, the system is loading. You can see your home page. Worry not. You can see the menu bars there on your home page. And voila, you are in. You have logged in with your credentials, which is your email address and your password. So I'm going to show you how to add banking details. Make sure that you have paid your registration fee, which is that's 100 rand. Once you have paid your 100 rand registration fee, you can see there's two options. If you haven't paid registration fee, unfortunately, you won't be able to see these two options, which is your account and my business account. That is your back office, and my business, that's also your back office. So make sure that you have paid registration fee and it is marked paid in the system. Other people will come and say, my leader, yes, I have paid registration fee, but I can't still see those two options. Worry not. It's probably that your order number it's not yet marked paid in the system. You have used wire transfer, or your order number it's under abandoned orders. Abandoned orders, it means that it is not in the system. It is just lying there in the rubbish bin, if I may put it that way. So that one can also be fixed by the office. You just send a query and that will be looked at. So when you want to add your banking details, quickly go to that option. I'm just going to zoom in so that you can see my screen. So you're going to go to account, profile, and then banking details. We wait for the system to load. Voila, then you will see this screen. Once you have clicked on banking details, you will see that button called add payout method. That button is meant for you to add your banking details. It is important, my leader, to make sure that you add your banking details in that month of joining the business. For example, this person, they've added their banking details on the 27th of May. Let's say this person has joined the business on the 1st of May and they have recruited, they've got people under them. They need to make sure that they add their banking details in the month of May so that you can be able to get your payment the following month. Remember, in this business, you work for that month and then you get paid the following month. If you have joined in May, you work in May, you have recruited, people have bought stock, and then you get a certain percentage worth of the stock that have been bought by your people, the people that have registered under you. You make sure that you capture your banking details in the month that you have joined so that the following month you get your commission, be it you have activated your account with the correct amount. And when I say with the correct amount, activation fee, it's 300 rands. It doesn't matter the rank that you are in. Activation fee, it's the same. You activate your account with 300 rands and above. Because other people, they buy, for example, I'll just make that as an example. Lerato has bought 5 crowns, and 5 crowns, it's worth 275. then it means you won't get your commission because you have activated your account with 275 for that month because you have bought 5 crowns. So make sure that with whatever that you have bought, it amounts to 300 rands and above so that you can be able to get your commission. If you don't do that, unfortunately, you won't be able to get your commission. So you click on that button, then you've got 2 options. I'm just going to zoom so that you can see what exactly I am doing. You've got 2 options. You've got payout method. Once you click there, you will see there's only one option, which is payout commission, and you click on that. Once you click on that, this is what you will see on your screen, either on your laptop, either on your tablet, either on your phone. You will see the same thing. Then you go to preferred and then you say yes. Bank name, you capture your bank name, which is Capitec or Netbank or ABSA or TimeBank or whatever your bank name is. And the date. This one is very, very important, my leader. I would like to emphasize on this one, on date, right? Date. So you need to make sure that you capture your banking details for that specific month. And when I say that, my leader, I am not referring to you need to change your banking details on a monthly basis. No. As long as you are using one bank account and you know that that is the only one bank account that you are using, yes, capture your bank account and then leave it at that. You don't need to update that on a monthly basis as long as you are sure that that is your bank account, right? Because other people, they've been coming and saying, my leader, I need to change my banking details every single month so that I can be able to get my commission. No, you don't have to do that. As long as you are using that bank account, then you can capture that and leave it as is, my leader. You will be able to get your commission on a monthly basis on that bank account, be it you have done the right thing, you have activated with the right amount. Then in a case whereby, yes, you have changed your bank account, now you are not using Capitec, you are using Netbank, you can come and change, it's fine, but just make sure that you are changing it in the right month so that the following month you get your commission. So even if I click on this button, I can't go anywhere, my leader. I can't capture my details in August, whereby I'm getting paid in August. So it simply means that during these days, the days that are left in July, you need to select, if you are capturing your banking details on the 25th, select 25th. If it's this day, select this day and so forth, but just make sure that you have done it in the month of July so that when a report is generated on this day, this time, on this day, this time, your name is there. Remember, the company is generating a report on a monthly basis, and that report includes your name. That report, it has your name in it so that you can be able to get your commission on the 15th of August. That is why we advise you that make sure that you have captured your details in the month of July. For example, you have joined the business in July. Make sure that you have captured your banking details in the month of July so that come next month on the 15th, you get your payment. You will be under review if you haven't captured your details in the month of July. You have captured your details on the 1st of August, and yet you are waiting for your July commission. Remember what I said, my leader. I said that you are working in the month of July so that you can be paid the following month. You work in July from the 1st of July till the 31st of July, you have recruited, you have people who have joined under you, you have people who have bought stock under you in the month of July, giving you commission, meaning that your commission will be paid the following month, which is August the 15th. So you need to do the right thing. Capture your banking details in that month so that next month you get your commission. So this one is very, very important because it has caused chaos, my leader. People thinking that they're being robbed by the business, they are not getting their commission. But when you look at their back office, they have done things incorrectly. So make sure that you follow the instructions, my leader. Make sure that you are knowledgeable. You know what to do that is right. Right? Then I choose the 25th because we are on the 25th. So even if I go and I add my banking details tomorrow, I will choose 25. If it's the 26th, I choose 26. Right? So we are on this day, which is a Sunday. And then I go to account holder and I add my name there. You need to make sure that you add the name that is reflecting on your account details, on your card details. So if your name there, testing account, is on the card, then you capture that name and you capture the correct account number. Type of account, either savings or check. So with Capitec, it's always savings. Branch code, my leader. If you don't know your branch code, go to Google. Go to Google and search Main Lane Capitec branch code. Right? Main Lane Capitec branch code. Yes. And then you will get there your branch code. So Google, it's there, my leader. Google, it's there to help you. If you want to check the NetBank branch code that is at Main Lane, NetBank, and then it will give you, my leader. It's there. So you don't have to worry about such information because we've got Google. Google that is meant for you to go and research so that you can be able to get the information that you want. Then you can simply copy that and put it there. Swift code, still, my leader. You can go to Google and then Main Lane NetBank Swift code, and then you enter, and then you will get it, my leader. Here's the Swift code, right? So if you don't understand, go to Google and research, my leader, because this platform, it is meant for you to come and do that research so that you can be able to get the information that you want. So you copy and you paste there, and then you enter your email address. You enter your email address, and then you enter your identity number there, and then you enter your cell phone number, and then you enter your address line where you stay, Pretoria, Joburg, wherever your address is, and then you enter the details there, and then city you enter. Remember, I'm just doing this for the presentation sake. Province, you can enter Limpopo. Postal code, you enter postal code there. Country, Ghana, Namibia, South Africa. You add your details there. And then once you are done, my leader, you save. That is how you add your banking details. I hope we are clear on that. I hope we are on the same page. Once you see this green icon, my leader, then it simply means that you have captured your account details correctly. It means that you have captured your banking details correctly, my leader. But once you see this icon, once you see this icon, my leader, once you see this icon here, if you see it here, then it means you have captured your details incorrectly. Incorrectly, my leader. So I hope we are on the same page. So this is how you add your your banking details, my leader. So I'm gonna quickly go to the second item on the agenda, how you amend your personal details, how you add your name, how you add your surname. You don't have to send a query to the company to say that, please change my email address. I have captured an incorrect email address. You can do that, my leader. It is quite easy. You can definitely do that. So there's other instructions on how to amend your banking details, how you add your name, how you add your surname, how you add your email address. Other people, they come and say, I have captured an incorrect email, so now I want to change and capture a correct email address, because now I'm not getting emails. Once I have paid using PayFast, I don't get that email notification. Worry not, my leader. This is how you do it. You go there on that log icon and you click on account. You click on account. These are your details, my leader. Remember, when you don't have a name and a surname there, it will be blank as like this on your screen, my leader. It will be blank. You won't be able to get your commission. You won't be able to register people under you because you are blank. You don't have anything. Other people, they say, I don't see my people under my tree. You don't see your people under your tree because your people, they don't have names. Your people, they didn't capture their name, they didn't capture their surname. That's why you can't see Lerato underneath you. Lerato has joined under you. Lerato has used your link to join under you, but now you can't see Lerato anymore because Lerato doesn't have a name, Lerato doesn't have a surname. So it is quite important to make sure that you've got a name there and a surname there. Lerato comes and say, hey, my leader, the email address that I've captured, it is incorrect. You can change it here, my leader. You can change it here. You don't have to ask the company J Oils Fragrances to change it on your behalf. You can change it there. So I'm going to quickly change it to this email. And an important fact is that once you have changed emails, now you're not going to log in with your old email. Remember, my email here was solarsystems@gmail.com. So now when I log in, I'm not going to log in using that email address because I am removing it from the system. I am removing it from this database. Now I am adding a new email into the system. I am adding a new email into the database. So it simply means that when I log in, I'm going to use this email address. Use your password, use your old password, because there is no way I have changed my password here. You can even see on the screen, you can see whatever that I'm doing. I didn't change my password, so I am still going to use the password that I have created to log in. The only thing that has changed, it's you using the new email address that you have captured here. All right, and then I'm going to update. Once I update, just check the bottom right to say that my details are now saved. See? They are saved, right? So I'm gonna log out and log in again with this email and my password so that you can see that it works. Right? So I'm just gonna zoom here so that you can be able to see. I'm using my old password, the password that I know of. So I didn't change password. I didn't do anything. The only thing that I did, I changed emails. Voila, it works. It works, my leader. So that is very, very important to keep in mind that once you change your email address, make sure that you use the new email address to log into the system.